I love me these shoes. These are my favorite shoes. Like, I do not have to believe. This place is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is where I'm going. There's nothing weird as a vlogging, guys. People will literally like stare at you as if you are some crazy person. It's literally my first time ever having to vlog in like public spaces like this. So I don't know, they'll keep staring and eventually they'll have to get over it. Yeah. See you inside the Pick and Pay. Having to vlog in public spaces and it's literally like the weirdest thing ever. It's literally the weirdest thing. I mean, people keep on looking at me. Okay. Sorry. I literally have to dodge people so that you don't think I'm some ghetto. I begin to I'm headed to Food Lovers Market now to get some veggies. It's quite late. I haven't been here for 30 minutes, but already you can tell that it's late. definitely the sound of the waves that are drawing me to the water. So this is us for the night. I'll show you the view in the morning. This is me. Oh my god, this is me for the night, you guys. This is so pretty. Okay, the lighting is not giving, but let me show you the... Okay, we have a little cute station here. Okay, I can see they've got a little hymns and hams situation going on, but unfortunately for me, I do not have hymns, it's only hams. What did I tell you about Mira's office? What did I tell you? Ooh, okay, this is the bath, the toilet, bathroom, whatever. I can see they've got a little cute thing going on. I'm so special. Woo! So guys, like, take a look at this. Yeah, but I wonder, like, these people love me, like. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. This is cute. Okay, I can see they've got another hymns and hams situation going on. Guys, next time I check in, I have to tag along hymns. Unfortunately for me, I do not have one of those. Thank you. Okay. My pleasure. My pleasure. We've got a... Okay, we're gonna look. I know you guys can't see properly the sound. It rush, well, it be much. Now gotta make my top, it rush. The kind money we touch, yeah. It rush, well, it be much. No be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling with us. It rush, well, it be much. Now gotta make my top, it rush. The kind money we touch, yeah. It rush, well, it be much. No be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling with us. Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like walk, but you must hustle if you want.
Roxanne told me that's because her mother was blind to Butch's darker side. What's your opinion of...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hello, Nyagwamugela, I welcome you. Please join the family. Don't forget to like, to share, comment and subscribe. and to also hit the notification bell. So I thought, let me just do like a quick sit down video just to share with you guys how did the birth of my channel came about. So this month around, I'm not quite sure, but I'll put the date. When was it? Because I think yeah, I did write it down on my journal. I was thinking, because I always see channels where people get to, you know, make diaries about university, like university diaries, work diaries, and I was like, how about I start creating a channel, you know, showing how life it is when you are unemployed, especially at your 20s, stuff like that. Yeah, the challenges, the pain, the crying, and all the heartache, stuff like that. Like I wanted to share that part of life, like how unemployment affects us, especially as youth. So I planned to start a channel based on that, and literally the week didn't even end. I got a call from my employer. She called me and she asked me to come and work for her, babysit, you know, stuff like that. And I was like, just as I was about to start my unemployment journey, or my unemployment channel, like, yeah, broadcasting unemployment, stuff like that, you know, something came up, you know, and I was like, okay, since I was about to start the channel anyway, I might as well just continue. That's how the birth of my Chronicles of Being a Nanny came about. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this with me, and please do note that I'm not going to be showing the video of the child that I'm taking care of for safety reasons. However, I will try to like show, you will basically see that I'm a nanny. It's just that I won't show the baby, yeah, due to safety reasons in J, you know. And also I'm not comfortable putting other people's babies out there on the spotlight like that, you know. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. You guys enjoy this video as much as I did filming it. Guys, I am super excited. Like, I literally, you know, guys, I'm at a point in my life where I'm like experiencing things that I never thought I'm going to places where I never thought I could. I don't even know how to explain the kind of feeling that I'm feeling right now. Like, I feel so blessed. I feel so grateful to God. That's why I try by all means every day to pray and thank God for this opportunity. It might not be much to other people, but I really am grateful that I get to experience life, you know, on the other side. You know, because I was really depressed. I was really depressed for quite some time, especially with the fact that I wasn't working. And guys, I was working, and then I decided to leave my job. Just as I was about to run out of my savings, God came through. I literally spent almost all my savings this month. Yeah, on October. I was like, and when I went to buy things that I needed, when I came back, I was like, God, I'm running out of my savings. So please pull through for the girl. And he literally did. He came through for me, guys. I feel so blessed. I know when we are not where we want to be, we feel like God has neglected us, or he doesn't hear us, stuff like that. But guys, always have faith, always pray. God is here. God sees us. God hears us, and he will pull through for you. He will pull through for you. It just, now I didn't share the depth details, but one day I will make a sit down videos and get to tell you why I left my job, stuff like that.
I'm making myself tea, coffee rather, with one of the Hims and Hams set. With one of the Hims and Hams set.
Hey, lona ke neng e bila ke tlile. Hey. Hey, it's been a minute.
This small thing, it takes a while to stop, and it's literally going
Hayi ngeke bakithi. Lezinto zabelungu. Lezinto zabelungu. again at the guest house. I'll pop the name somewhere here or here. yeah, it's a different room and it's a different color. Let me just do like a quick thingy, but it's a mess, don't mind. It's almost like that it's completely different. Completely, but the view is still the same. View is still the same. Cannot get you guys the sunset here. Hi guys, welcome back to Chronicles of Being a Nanny. So this is another vlog. I did not put the other one because I was so busy. Like I went to Mpumalanga, someplace in Mpumalanga, and I didn't vlog. But the only thing that I did was take the view and stuff like that because there were so many people. I couldn't vlog because I'm still shy vlogging around so many people. So this is me trying to put the baby to sleep, and she's like on my back. She's enjoying the ride. Whoopsie. Guys, I'm not showing you the baby. Like, I am not. So we're just here to chill and yeah, probably to get some content also for Chronicles of Being a Nanny. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and you know, I want to do like a little sit down video where I get to explain how it feels like to be a nanny, the frustrations that comes with it, the happiness that comes with it, like everything in between. No, it's not TikTok. So I'll fill you in, guys, of how this journey has been and how I'm feeling. You know, I'm one anxious person, but I haven't been anxious at all. Like this past few weeks has been relatively incredible for me, for my mental health, my physical well-being, you know, my emotional well-being. The only problem is I'm gaining lots and lots of weight because I eat a lot. I'm sure you can tell my body, there's a shift, like there's a little bit of extras, but hey, who am I? I'm getting back to the gym or to working out as from the following week. Yeah. my YouTubers.
This is the face of the YouTuber.
Exactly. Exactly.
I like this thing. I want it.
Hey, I need to.
You guys, what is the name of this place?
What is this? Got some cute little plant going on here. To be sure.
And the background, guys. Batung.
Nuna.
Wow. Nuna. Nuna, ukala wena fela. She's not even noticing. Hello.
Say hello.
Mara, what's that, Nuna?
Eh?
What's that?
Wena. So she's got the most beautiful smile ever.
Azanga kamona.
Hey, someone in.
Maybe never. I need this thing in my life. Okay. Can I buy this one from you? What did you buy?
Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved it. So see you in my next video. And also, guys, please follow me on my Instagram at Chronicles of a Black Girl. It's Chronicles_of_Black Girl. Please do follow me there. I post some stories, you know, some other content that I might not be able to post on YouTube. So bye, you guys. I love you so much.